Goroba no kwegena kwa nabuna nigo ogendete kwegokia nemeroberia itokurugaiga Ensoko TV oborosobo moguse ayaiga na mangana maya asenchira yobwenye erietariane Linet Nyambane. Amaya chinsa 10 gotogo chakera kurwa ase aborokia bechi skuru kurwa sub county ya Kenyanya bachengeiru ase boigo basabire kubwaterana nebyombe ao erioko bakonya ase ogosira obugima bwabo ase boigo aborokia abo basabire abaibori kubarenda abana babo anene chinga kechiga bare ase omutimoko omutambe
rero ntole no mogoko buna bali mu sub county ye ase ngenje gwetere kyombe gitu kya Kenya sub county Ntuabwate AGM, Annual General Meeting, ya balimu baito bonsi, ase kiombeke kia lero. Ase kiombeke gitu kia Kenya Sub-County. Ntole no mogoko, and we are very much happy.
Epe agwerie nebwate chinguru nande tokanya balimu bonsi be Sub-County na bande kurusiko batuchoini, ase ngenjongo konyere ngakieria abantu ba obusojo omoitanyorire mechando, abeko mokonya burunge.
Winaja talents for the children. So abana abaito abaiboli babakonye baba materials chichiganeri ibintu biribiganeri bya sports na amasomo kawese ngenje CBC about competence based curriculum mokonya abana abaito erinde ba excel as
kiagara buna bono tole rusa abana baito igo bale chipara abana baito basoira ase chira chinyinge moroche amangana agenderera aba ibuli bachandeka bakanyora obusikali abana bagasoa lakini ase ngencho yebinta abana baito bechore tomubere binde banyule yagera bayigitali bakairana eneri bagabuno mogusito gosiria totanyole igaba ibuli mwesi buna bali mutwateranira twabasabire tokongera abana matukaya igayerusa
bere yaito aba ibuli asimole ntete ko batebinga abona igane chinga chirusa tole tete ko batenga abana abaisike tu abayete go chinga chirusa nonye kerere enta eneneiga ngosteba nga aso wanje kwino tolendera abana baita abaisike na tu abayete bare buya bakoirana nande chiskuro kare chuko urushano ole nande bairane bare muna barenge igonya sawi tubo buya tiga bakonye kero togenderete ko kurwanirira obwene bwa abana abaisike
togotigiraga bwase chisemi ase abaibori basemigwe gotiga gutwara obwoba asomoroberi bwa masomo asabaroki kwa begiredi ya kianda abo bakora amatemu ekogera eserekari nigeroberetie okuno gosemia korwase George Shikuru oyore omo CEO bwekyombe kya baibori kya National Parents Association oyotebire eserekari nigebegete meroberi eisaine kwenekia abana bonsi nkonyora bare amabagase chiskuru omutenyi orebosio.
This year has been interesting for parents, and among the good things that we are celebrating in education this year, one is of course we as parents who are elated to celebrate the completion of grade 9 for the first CBC cohort. And from a parent's perspective, there was lots of anxiety in the camp about the exams and so on, but we were happy that we did that, and the children seemed not to have been very pressured by those exams the way we thought. So that's a good thing. Of course, parents are now kind of anxious about grade 10 transition. We are following what the ministry is publishing. The one thing that the ministry is clear about is that everyone will find a space, and that's good news. There is also, of course, challenges around whether people will find the space where they want to find the space in terms of selecting the institutions. And so there's still a bit of, anxious feelings about that from parents, but the ministry has promised that they are working hard on that. The other things that we celebrate this year is celebrating parental empowerment and engagement, that we were able to launch the first parents manual on national values in collaboration with the Directorate of National Cohesion and Values. And that was a big milestone, being able to co-create with the other stakeholders a manual that will support parents to inculcate values among children and youth. And of course, what remains ahead is the challenge of dissemination, because then we need to disseminate this through all the parents' associations across the country, and there are 42,000, so logistically it's a nightmare to be able to get that, and that's one of the issues.
Omonogeri bwe kiumbe kia barimu kia NAT ase orosagirwa Nyamira Evans Obiri nigo esokirie na kumuchia serikali asogotarika abarimu ba JSS buikeranu nonye nekero bakorira omoroberi bwa magerio gukwana ase abisia ya Nyamira. Obiri nigo aboririe serikali kubeka okugania kwa barimu bosio na gutika kuba engeri irense.
Njomo no Kenya yuti orusagirwa Nyamira. Orusagirwa Nyamira ruwadi Nyamira South na Nyamira North. And the part of Marabu. Yawe location. Yere Marabu South County no ere asorusagirwa Nyamira. Iwadi skule meronge verna isana. Daite gote ba nga serikali through the Service Commission ya temire kulikaba ali sana na batana kulikunga kiende. Ni na batoko serikali okobokonga yakorie gasindia na ende njaje ka confirm abalimu on the permanent, especially the junior school teachers, lakini emejana twara nene ringa ki abalimu bali getwe on internship yani seconda it was expected ngo likwali the permanent njenga ki this financial year. Lakini ndio hukumu yetu anyoringa abalimu yaba bari kwa confirm on the permanent and the pension of basis. Ontate kunyoria serikali nga obogima bwa kongire sana ne kibese kibakwa kana abalimu ba internship okiri kibese kinke mono. Abalimu abana barwani komenya buya na barwani kobeka none yanga banyore daga bakolia yani barore karumna abalimu na kongu bokingerete gosekete serikali nga netakeire erikaba ange yali getaba permanent na ne mana kulikaba ande internship negendete bono yakulikaba ande internship chirwe merongo ibere, lakini ndange ya confirm ti bali abatangani baraba permanent na ne mana kulikaba ande omwana kara abali bwekara bakosoma ibakwire kibese kininga sare university uzuwake sawo mwalimu asomere ku primary paka high school baka university is a lot of money. Ekero waka no mwalimu sector tebe singemero singe combination ibere kiri combination ibere kosembe meronge ibere kwama chama na kona jua una nande taxation ya beri go Kenya chiana juguika ugeja osana kiri combination bono chibese jinkia kombe nyomba nkiaragerera kiakore ebintu binde kono bakora ngaba abalimu aba bajanikire mono tige serikali erengererie tugutete kurunga internship inene case ntubwati ase code of regulation for teachers ntubwate kurunga internship ngendo tubwate contract only in the internship because there other sections like health lakini amangane education
buna enchira eyemo yogosira abantu ase wodi abaschache eribe konye Jasper Gwaro kubwaterana na Global College nigo bachiramo na kurwa amegeru yokumina na baigo kugingira gochia ase abarokigwe 45 abamenyi banyaganja iyo gutuka ime yabaschache nigo bono bagokere gitambo kirekyo ase baruro bosemi gochia ase abamenyi bensemi iyo kubwatera omoroberio yukoboko
basoko toretere class ya saru mono na kwirinde na kugingira addressing yonse no cross chinchara me ka kilege konyal go baka go twegeli konyal de go ba toko maya kirege aba muramande ko baseminga anya koro che ko siende kere aseboniga genda osuororo onyare kwegera no enche talinge gimete kirege enacha koba kingo somigu mpaka nanyale koba gingo manya igonde kwansi ole isiko gali onyare ko soka go tiase ke tu kende kyansi chase bagwaro igwire bitu kirase onyare ko igora driving onyare ko igora kirege agendo so elindo nyare ko konya so bugimo bwa otaya nyare ti gasi yago yakoboko gasi ende tayo ko tatige
ngwakira umugambi itumbi amono asingincha to ile skirira bikonya subu mabwetu na watu atige biticha bikanora chinyeni boni geto kugora mbuyangure chinyeni lakini mbwate ngento kira ngonya subu gifwa amen ngo advice abanyi na bandi ba minto ege skiri twanyare ko dokonyore certificate into beka muturu gotorare ko genda nyela neti buya nyendere kuri kichi customer mine buna bana December ndi kuchikurara buyantie kurara si mutu ane ndaro si customer nyore besa ngore rectis.
Mimi naye kusema kweli sikuwa tayari kusomea salon, but kuna mwenye aliniambia ndio nikakuja. Then vijana na washauri kazi ni kazi by the way. Nilikuwa naona salon si kazi, lakini my teacher pia aliniambia salon ni pesa na aliniambia vitu mingi sana na wasichana wenzangu msichukulie salon like kitu yenye haileti pesa ama unaenda huko kama show off. Lazima ufanye kazi na kazi ya mkono pia inasaidia. Hata kama umesoma hizo certificate hazitakuweka mahali.
Waskamotwe enkwana yomurai bwabangina county ya Kisii Moskedo Risabori eyo akwana amatukabwango igabu na egesaku kyo mugusi nigo kegenderete ogusarwa ku mwana omunyaruka anene chingaki chiga chiskuru chisiekire nigegenderete kwimukia riberera rinene asensemo yemetandao asoyo bwango iga okwanire ngane yo no munyakerogo bwe kyombe kya National Gender Rehema Chaldesa uyotebire abantu bo mutandao nigo babutorete enseme yemo yenkwana yo musubati aburi eyo etaribuya na nigagikiro kunererirwa okukogendete kwanekirwa ase omutandao asatebire nige bikore ebyo bibwenerete gutigwa rimorioka
for anti-FGM. So when I saw that clip, so many people kept forwarding and saying, Chaldesa, we want to hear your voice. I called so many people and I called Mercy because I think Mheshimiwa was on transit participating in the Yala game, or I don't know. Her phone was not going through, so I called her. And she said, Chair, I've also seen it. Just like me, she doubted. So finally, I traced Donna. And I asked her, Donna, what happened to you? And she says, Madam Chair, that is a very small portion of what I said. You know, she said so much against FGM, and then she was trying to have a conversation, according to her, with someone, and she was saying, you know, Kisses cutting the girls during this holiday season. Some have already been cut. They are still cutting some. And they are saying, Ioni Poesha. And that is where it was captured and it was shared all over. And that is why we must unite to fight against digital violence. Not only women, but from everybody. So I want to say, I have interacted with Mheshimiwa. She is going to provide a statement, but as a chair of National Gender, it is my duty to also add my voice. We don't support. I was in Marsabit with her, launching the 16 days of activism. I spoke against FGM. We so happen to have all our spiritual leaders. And I said we must curse it. But some other women are saying, no, Chair, don't say that. It is not an easy fight. It is a fight that we have to fight. But please let us know.
Abantu baria bakwaga chachinyumba baborigwe kubwatera ichiko nario ogwakwa na makweri gosekora atige gukorekana anene chinga kichinyumba chikogwa okuno kubori korwa asomurai bwe kyombe kya AAK oyo okurukwa George Ndege asatebire buna nigo bari bonsi bakwaga chachinyumba babonete kubwatera ichiko eri gwetanga korwa ase ebikoro byogwakwa.
We are doing it annually because we wanted to capture more data. And we look at the trends and the challenges of urbanization in Kenya. And of course, most critical is development control and e-permitting, which, as we report today, is one of the biggest hurdles to professionalism or professionalizing the urbanization and the construction sector in Kenya. As we speak right now, majority of our counties are doing manual development control processes, and the few are doing the e-permitting, the electronic system. out of the 4 of them are not currently operational, and our members are facing challenges. They're not able to submit projects. And because we believe that this is actually intentional, that it's a way of frustrating developers and at the same time pushing the agenda that the various officers in this development control office have a better solution. And this solution, of course, is always through facilitation, which is a pit of corruption that is happening right now. And as an association, our members are really suffering. They are in the thick of this storm, because once you go through the rigor of developing concept, understanding the design, giving our developer solution, the bit where the government is supposed to come in, that's the local government, and be able to push the process forward to construction, is becoming a bottleneck. And this bottleneck, we believe, could have been solved by the e-permitting systems, which AAK pushed to be developed from 10 years ago through the support of the World Bank. And we did, starting with Nairobi, we did Kiambu, Mombasa, Kisumu, and unfortunately, the other counties have not been able to take the next step, which is getting to the
Omwana mazingira Truvena Muthoni obekire record imeyense ase okobwani omote chinsa 52 atari gutimuka gose koragera abamenyi be county ya Nyeri nigo baika asense meyare kobwani omotoyo ase bono bagokeire egetambukero ekyo ase batebiribuna nigo bachengeire obubuyobo. Na wikiraga bu omwanchu omurigereria no tugukorera amaya senchira yo bwenge chensa 10 amaya asenchira yo bwikirano nigora chikomirana na Ishmael Mogere enseyemo na wego chinsa 3 bari banekia amariogi na wego chibiche chingu wikira chire asenchira yo bwikirano Brian Achaka oyorenga sensemo ye kamera John Kibati na wego Felistas Gabendi abenekia mariogi agwikire asenchira erengi ya kigima genda gutwara oborigererio bya na wego nakuganeri otware omogoro bomya eretariane Linet Nyambane.